US Ambassador to India 𝗔𝗧𝗢𝗥 has warned Indian companies of the serious consequences that they might face if they violate global sanctions imposed on Russia. Dassault Aviation is looking to set up a maintenance, repair and overhaul facility near Jewar International Airport to service both Mirage 2000 and Rafale fighter jets. According to an analysis by the Federation of American Scientists, Pakistan has equipped its JF-17 fighter jets with Rad-1 tactical nuclear missiles. A DRDO team visited Naval Group headquarters in France to discuss integration of indigenous AIP system on first Kalvari class submarine by mid-2025. The DRDO conducted a demonstration and trial of its new Ugram rifle for all paramilitary forces, in which the Ugram was superior in handling functional and ergonomic aspects as compared to American 𝗔𝗧𝗢𝗥. The induction of VL-SRSAM might be delayed, as the DRDO is starting the process of weight optimization of vertical launch unit with canister and its subsystems. Indian Army will procure 24 more units of the ATOR N-1200 all-terrain vehicles from JSW Gecko Motors Private Limited. Ministry of Defence has signed an MOU to establish 3 state-of-the-art testing facilities in Chennai for the Tamil Nadu Defence Industrial Corridor, in unmanned aerial system, electronic warfare and electro-optics domains. Indian Navy has issued a request for information for an underwater-launched autonomous underwater vehicle for ISR missions and mine countermeasures deception operations. French firm Dassault Aviation has filed an application with the Indian government to create a maintenance, repair and overhaul facility near Jewar International Airport that will cater to not just India's fleet of Mirage 2000 and Rafale fighter jets, but also that of Indonesia. The MRO facility is a standalone venture of Dassault Aviation and will be fully owned by the French aviation firm, which means Dassault has decided to move away from its Indian partner Reliance Defence for this project. The facility will initially look at MRO-related work for the 36 Rafale fighter jets of the Indian Air Force and the 26 Rafale Marine of the Indian Navy, followed by 42 Rafale fighters of the Indonesian Air Force. This step will also pave the way for local manufacturing of the latest Rafale F4 and F5 versions using locally sourced components to fulfill Indian Air Force's long-term requirement of 114 fighter jets. Safran's M88 engine MRO facility in Hyderabad will also be operational by 2025, and Safran has also indicated readiness to manufacture M88 engines in India if there is a substantial order from the Indian Air Force. The Defence Ministry is working out a model for bringing in the private sector in the AMCA program in a big way, and the model is expected to be worked out in the next 6 months, which is important for timely execution of the project. The Defence Ministry has already issued an expression of interest to the industry, and 3 responses were received. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is the production agency for the project that has already initiated manufacturing activities. According to a latest media report, the rollout of the first AMCA prototype is expected to be ready by 2028, and the production is expected to begin from 2032, and the target is to have it ready for induction in 2034. According to a media report, DRDO's WAP reportedly received negative feedback during the Army evaluation trials, with the Army favoring the American Stryker for its superior design and protection. Reports suggest that the Army views the Stryker as a more robust platform compared to indigenous alternatives. In light of the Army's preference, discussions are underway between the US and India for a co-development program to produce a customized Stryker M1135 variant with transfer of technology catering to Indian requirements. Today's top 3 comments.